so excited to finally be on the maiden voyage of the Star Princess. So we thought we would start by giving you a room tour. So we are on deck 11. Room state number is 327. It is midship, a little bit closer to the forward. So as you saw, Will just came in. This is beautiful, you guys. So we're so excited. Okay, so starting over here when you first walk in, there's gonna be, whoop.
Let me get to this.
Here we go. Some cabinet space. Of course, your safe is going to be located in here as well. There's lots of storage in here. I think I mentioned it, but in case I didn't, this is balcony. It's a deluxe balcony. You've got your drawers here, plenty of storage, 3 here. Then you have, instead of the walk-in closet on the older ships, you have this wonderful light-up closet. When you shut these doors, this light will go off. So don't be afraid that that's going to be on all day long. You do just have to make sure that you close these completely. You'll be able to see it in just a second. Voila. Okay. Then we have our bathroom. I'll let Will go in there. As you can see, they updated everything. So now instead of a shower curtain, we have a wonderful glass door. So yay. And they have a wonderful bar for us ladies that need to shave our legs. So perfect. Comes with shampoo, conditioner, body wash, of course. And of course your hand wash and then body lotion by this awesome Beekman 1802, which is so much better than that Lotus Spa stuff they used to have. No offense, princess. But very clean, very modern. Okay. And then of course we come into main area. So when you book these staterooms, you either have a choice to have the bed by the door or your couch by the door. So for us, of course, the bed is by the door. I kind of like this a little bit better, to be honest with you. I feel like you have a little bit more space once you go into your living area. Of course, the couch can be opened up into an extra bed if you have 3 or more people. Then of course you have your vanity desk area here. You also have additional storage underneath the desk, which is awesome. And then of course under here, you're gonna find your mini bar. I just hit Elite, so we've got the mini bar set up, which is awesome. And then of course your blow dryer, which yay is updated. It is now a dry bar blow dryer. Not that anybody knows what that is, but it's great. Okay. And then unfortunately we can't go out to the balcony. They're refueling the ship at the moment and they've instructed us not to, but Will at least can go past me and you can see the size of our balcony. It's not really huge. It does not come with loungers, but of course just the 2 chairs and the table is awesome. And per our old video, unfortunately, we are starboard side, so we are facing the terminal yet again, but that's okay. We'll have excellent sea views as the time goes on.
Where should the nightstands?
Oh yeah, sorry
guys. And stuff.
So 2 nightstands, you have 1 drawer and then a cubby hole at the bottom and then a small cubby at the top. This is great though, you guys. There's a USB and a USB-C. As well as a regular outlet, and then you can just pull this out and it becomes a little reading light for you. You can move that all around. Really beautiful. Also, if you have more than 3 people, there's a bunk that can come down as well. I should have mentioned that. We are so excited though to finally be here. We know that some of you have really been coming with us on our countdown, so we're finally here. We're gonna make sure to have plenty of updates for you guys. They did have the naming ceremony last night where Matthew McConaughey and his wife were here to kick that off. And of course they left us some of their tequilas as a little maiden voyage gift. So we are excited. We are getting ready to go to lunch. If you have not already subscribed to our channel, please do. If you love what we're saying, please make sure you give us a thumbs up and we will see you soon.